Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Winona, local and long distance movers near me. Protecting your belongings from damage is the most challenging part of a long distance relocation. We at 3 Movers know that fragile valuables may shatter before reaching the truck without proper packaging. As a result, we employ specialists who meticulously box each item before loading it into the van. If you have to make a last minute decision and need a pickup van, we're here to help. All 3 Movers trucks are available even at short notices. We are also always meeting deadlines, and our trucks are always in top condition and ready to travel. Also, we're prepared to help you regardless of the distance to your new office or home. Having a team of seasoned movers and packers on our side allows you to concentrate on other matters such as meeting with real estate agents, lawyers, and your children. You may be confident that we'll take care of the heavy lifting while caring for your concerns. When it comes to moving, we give nothing short of the best. When we arrive at the new homes, we assess the rooms, check the items, and get the most reasonable quotes and estimates. Our Winona Lakes local relocation rate is between $30 and $40 per hour. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Winona moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.